G'day lovers, it's Michael here. Just a heads up that I'm on the cusp of cracking the 200 subscriber mark on the channel, and I just wanted to give you a shout out for coming along for the ride so far. Each and every one of you, really valued member of the team here, really. So, you guys watch the content that I produce, and I really appreciate that. So, really thankful to all of you for liking the videos, commenting, subscribing in particular. I make it for you guys, so if there's something you want to see, please leave a comment or send us a message on Facebook. And there's more to come, basically. Got more on the Scott Bonnar resto front and more on the lawn and gardening front as well. So yeah, hopefully plenty to keep you occupied in your spare time. And again, just wanted to say thanks very much for watching. So stay tuned, everyone. I'll give you a special shout out, subscriber number 200 when and if it happens. And then we'll be setting our sights on 1,000 just for the fun of it. So tell your friends, tell your mum. Thanks everyone. See you around. Love you guys.